I was driving down the road, and I looked in the. I was coming this way, and I looked in the woods, and I could see a house back in there, way back in there. Well, no, it wasn't that far back, but it was under all kind of trees.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I pulled in there, and that house is smoldering down, and it's got a big old. Everything's just kind of going back in the ground. There's old combine turning to rust back in there. Have you ever seen that?
Which side of the road?
So if I was going back down, it would be on the left.
Toward.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can't hardly see the house.
Nope, you can't hardly see it. Do you know what that's all about?
Well, a couple used to live there, and they both died. And since then, the air has rendered it out to other people. So they pull equipment in there, and there's a truck sitting in there that they used. They quit using and they just leave it set.
Yeah.
Same way as the combine.
There's nothing moving over there. And there ain't nobody got to live in that thing.
No.
There's the floor, the living room floor has fallen in, and there's water inside the house. It's a mess.
There's a boy killed in that house. Sometime after it became vacant, they were in there and they weren't supposed to be, you know. And some guy, a neighbor up the road there, he was waiting for him, you know, when he got in there, and shot him, killed him.
Why did he do that?
Well, he wasn't supposed to be in there.
But he thought it'd be all right to shoot him and kill him for it.
I guess. Yeah, I don't think it was worth it, but you know how you do. You want to pay somebody back for something.
Whatever happened to the guy that shot the guy?
Well, you know, I don't know how that ever came out.
That's terrible.
But my neighbor boy that mows my lawn now, he's been over in that house since then, and he told me about that water in the basement there. I didn't even know it had a basement in it.
Well, I don't think it does have a basement. I think what happened was the living room floor fell down in.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a big pond.
Yeah.
It looks like a big pond. There's also an old car in the barn. Did he tell you about that?
An old car.
An old car.
When you get the time, come visit us at flipclockfans.com.